Hello everyone! In this video, Emma will continue talking about what she does in the afternoon and evening. As usual, Emma will speak slowly and pronounce each word clearly so you can understand everything. Listen carefully as Emma speaks and follow along. This will help you remember and use these expressions in your own life.
At 2 o'clock, I prepare ingredients for dinner. I wash vegetables and cut them into small pieces. I take chicken out from the fridge. Then I tidy the living room. I put the toys in the toy box. I clean the cushions and dust the shelves. At 3 o'clock, Ben wakes up from his nap. He is full of energy again. We play together with his building blocks. He builds a tall tower. I help him when he needs it. We laugh when the tower falls down. At 4 o'clock, Lena comes home from school. She runs to me and hugs me tight. She is always happy to be home. She tells me about her day at school. She shows me her drawings from art class. They are beautiful and colorful. Ben shows Lena his toy cars. They play together nicely. I watch them and feel grateful. I give them a snack. They like cookies and milk. They sit at the table and eat together, talking and giggling. At 5:30, I start cooking dinner. I cook rice, fry the chicken, and make a fresh salad. The kitchen smells wonderful. Lena sometimes helps me set the table. She puts the plates and spoons carefully. Ben tries to help too, but he is still small. At 6 o'clock, Mike comes home from work. The children run to him happily. He hugs them and asks about their day. We all sit down together for dinner. We eat, talk, and share stories. The children tell funny things from school. Mike tells us about his day at the office. We laugh together. The house feels warm and full of love. After dinner, Mike helps me wash the dishes. Lena and Ben play in the living room. We can hear them laughing. Then we all spend time together. Sometimes we watch a cartoon show. Other times, the children draw pictures while we talk. At 7:30, I prepare bath time for the children. Lena takes her bath first. Then Ben takes his bath. They put on clean pajamas. They smell fresh and clean. They look so cute and sleepy. At 8 o'clock, it is bedtime for the children. I read them a short story. Lena likes stories about animals and magic. Ben likes stories with cars and trains. After reading, I kiss them goodnight. I turn off the lights slowly. I say, "Sweet dreams, my loves." They close their eyes peacefully. At 9 o'clock, Mike and I relax together. We sit on the sofa and talk quietly. Sometimes we watch TV. I make a cup of tea for myself. The warm tea makes me feel relaxed. We talk about tomorrow's plans. Before bed, I check my to-do list. I write down things I need to do tomorrow. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. I put on my pajamas and get into bed. I feel tired but very happy. My day is busy, but my heart is full of love. I am grateful for my beautiful family. This is my daily routine.
I hope you learned many useful expressions today. You can use them in your daily life. We are making more videos like this. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.